Put a black paper under the table and mirror the focus distance from here to this line is 240 millimeter. Use tab, stick the table. Open the software, landmark 3ds. Here, make a circle. General 38. 30 here. Change the size. Apply. Center. This is front view. We need to move this circle to this 120. So here this at 120 millimeter. Apply. You will find it's up to here. Front view. Top view. Change parameters. Power 10. Okay. Preview. Delete the design. It's 6. Here. Mould Z axis command. Here set 16. Click OK. Select this. Material as the circle. Okay. Delete Z command. Here, file, import design. Select all. Ungroup. Select all. Combine. Here. Property. Hatch. Choose this type. Hatch. Distance 0.01. Pin number 0. Auto rotate angle 10. Apply. Copy and paste. This one is the first design. This one is another design. Select this. Click hatch. Choose this type. Pin number set 1. Distance 0.02. Apply. We can check the design. This design is for engraving, and this design is for cleaning. Choose this center. Choose this one and center. Parameters. Not use default parameters. This is pin 0. Mark speed. Power set 60. Apply. Pin number 1. Not use default. Speed 2000. Power 20. frequency 100. Apply. Okay. Here, import STL model. Marking the design. Click this. Select the stream. And this is the top view. We can see this is, we need to rotate X rotate 19 degree. Apply. This is top view. Here is the model size X, Y, and Z. First, X over flat center. Move them to bottom front view. We can see this here is 120. This is working depth. We need to move this model to this level. Click this. Move the model to the max Z. We can see it's moved to here. Top view. Select these two picture file. Click this 2D graphics projection to 3D models. Project. Okay. Okay, we can check. It have project to 3D model. Top view. Here, entire mark times. Here set 40. It will mark 40 times. Click preview. Mark.